With the temperatures rising and the first official day of summer just weeks away, we thought it'd be a good idea to arm you with a cookie recipe that's perfect for when you feel like making something homemade, but you don't want to heat up your kitchen. If that sounds good to you, check this out. We start by melting some white chocolate chips with a bit of peanut butter in a saucepan. You want to do this over low heat and keep stirring it so it doesn't burn. Once it's smooth, we take it off the heat and let it cool slightly. After that, all we do is fold in some toasted rice cereal, lots of peanuts, and some mini marshmallows. We'll toss this until everything is evenly coated. Now, just like we would with traditional cookie dough, we spoon these onto a baking sheet that we lined with wax paper. We can put these pretty close together since they don't get baked, which means they don't spread. Doesn't get any easier than that. And talk about a treat for your taste buds. You have the creaminess of the marshmallows, the salty crunch of the nuts, and the crispy texture of the cereal all rolled into every bite. I hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our no-bake cookie clusters so you can create some excitement in your kitchen without breaking a sweat. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a sweet no-baked way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Uh-huh. Go ahead.